Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to give myself a fill. I already did the prep and everything, so I'm just going to add the acrylic, and this is going to be a real quick video. I'm going to do a little design. I wanted to do the Kylie Jenner star nails that were famous on Instagram. Like, everybody was doing them, recreating them. I know I'm behind, but I wanted to try it out. So this is how I did it. I used a stamping plate because I suck at drawing. Y'all should know that by now. Sorry for the birds, by the way. So I did use a stamping plate. Everything I used, I will put it in the description box, and I'm for real this time. I know I'm not good about doing that, but I am going to do it. I have everything in front of me right now as we speak, or as I'm making this voiceover. So I'm going to put everything in the description box for sure. I used a mixture of clear jelly stamper, Mundo de Uñas, and Moyra stamping polishes. So I'm going to leave y'all with the video. I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it's a little short, but my next video will be a little bit longer. Thanks for watching, everybody. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the little bell so you can get notified of my next video. Bye, everybody.